So here we are in review orders. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of all the different features on the review page. So let's go through all the drop downs. First you have production. So here, if you click your production, it will only know the production that you are on. The call stewards will give you permission to only work on the one show. So department. It will know what department you're in. It will always default to the department that you're a member in. However, if you do click on the department, you will see all the different departments that IATSE has. The reason for this is because many departments have sub-departments that they have to place orders for. So let's say rigging grip, they need drivers, they need to do transport. Construction also needs to do labor and transport. Special effects needs transport. Set deck needs transport. Scenic needs craft service. I mean, the list goes on. There's quite a bit of sub-departments within the departments. So that's why in the department drop down, you have all the different departments there. Again, it will know and default to your department as a member. So next we have shift date. If you click on shift date, you'll see a calendar pop up. This allows you to go back in time. You can see what you had back when the show started or any time in between and just see what happened on any certain day. So you go ahead and click the day, and then you would go ahead and click apply filter, and all your information for that day will come up. Next, you have your today and your tomorrow buttons. The reason we have those right there for you is you're always going to look at what's happening today, what's happening tomorrow. So those are your two easy buttons there for what day you need. And then you have your shift date calendar to go back in time. So let's go ahead and hit today. So let's see what's happening today. It will always default to tomorrow. So when you open up your My 873 review orders, it will always default to tomorrow's calls. So if you want to see what's happening today, you click on today. So let's go ahead and quickly see what I have today. You can see me, John Doe, as the key rigging grip listed. As well, you can see my two dailies, my two name hire dailies, their callbacks, and then I had one new call right here. So I have 3 dailies, 2 are callbacks, 1 new, and you can see me as the rigging key. So that's all the calls for this show for grip for today. So another quick feature we have here, quick overview of the features, is another one is daily calls. So I find that once a show gets started, there'll be so much information on this one sheet. Right now it's very simple. You have 3 dailies and 1 pick, but a lot of times that show will turn into 20, 30, 40, 50 people, even higher, depending on what category. So sometimes you just want to see what dailies you have, and an easier, simpler way is just to click on the daily calls. So if you're just looking to see what's happening in the daily world, just go ahead and click dailies, apply filter, and then the keys, the 1 weeks, the show calls, everyone will disappear except the dailies. So that's something that comes in handy when shows get really busy and you just want to see what's happening in the daily world. Next is seniority order. If you have a bunch of dailies and you want to know their seniority order, go ahead and click that and apply your filter, and you'll get all the technicians in category in seniority. However, if they are sorted by name hires, they will be sorted in seniority within name hires, and then the daily seniorities will be sorted in seniority with the dailies within the seniority of the dailies. So just keep that in mind, but this button up here comes in handy when you want to know who's the most senior on your crew.